away unless you get a payout too.
Unless you get a payout, which is right.
So
Now,
for the
the
next
way you could do
election,
that, you couldn't
they will
right
have to put
natural
a
thinking.
PMP in the ballot room behind the curtain and a GLP. Them stand guard. They stand guard. And they're not going to see what the person marked. They can stand like 3 feet away each side. They're not going to be right up onto them. But they only get to mark one time. One time. So if they want to take pay out of them business, but they only get to mark once.
And that, me know. Only once them to get a chance, man.
Story come to bomb. Because we're going to have to try everything to prevent this. You see what I'm saying?
Sure.
And Terry said she worked there for a long time, so she know the value. 1,000 spoiled ballots is a lot. That is a lot.
Oh, well, me never know so much. I don't feel awake. I come like me naive to the information.
That's too much though.
That is what on the Raymond Price get, you know. I'm Terrell and get a whole heap more than that, you know.
Plan that, man.
Yeah,
it's a whole heap more he got.
That's what we even know if that's accurate. Probably them just said that 3 feet look balance.
No, we went to the counting station. My custom manager was there for the count over. Some of them have the X2X, one of the head and one of the bells. Them have gun, they have flowers, them all sort of something they drop on the back.
What? They put gun on it? That's purpose. That is purpose.
That cannot be somebody where don't have sense. So how they know if you draw a gun?
So them know if you draw a gun and can't draw X.
And a gun is more harder to draw than an X.
Why Jamaicans not easy?
Yeah,
that's why I said the election should have been got done over with protection, with the National Guard. I watch the vote because
scary.
It's scary. Things.
It's scary. Yeah, for them for us to them go over another election again. For go over another election.
Armed force out there watch the election.
Yes, but watch it because. You must have 1,000 spoiled ballots from one side. That's a lot.
That don't look good. And then for things don't seem bad. Yeah, so the other opponent get more than the 1,000 on there. That can't go. That means the election never run properly.
No,
that's why we have
election. We never have a proper election.
Yeah.
Askel him get more spoiled votes and still win. Something not right. It not add up. It not add up.
Yes, so you see it not add up. It's come like them and say, see it can get more, just as you said. Him get more spoiled votes. So you're supposed to say everything good.
Askel, the worst thing about it is that the people them they determined to get rid of him because he has done nothing for the 9 years here. They're nothing at all. We can't.
Only thing me see him up there, I go on like say, we not discriminate nobody, but me just see him go on like him a hot girl. That's all me see him going like constituency go on like. And flash back in here and meet with people and I go 9-9. That you know put in no work.
Nothing at all, nothing to empower the young people. Nothing at all. Right now, a part of Newlands have no water from when? Months them not have no water.
Puzzle is here.
And they run
so
out.
Him going at the place and I play domino. Him thinks that are getting things done.
Sad.
Well, in window.
I'm gonna 9-9.
Let me tell you something. Askel, I met somebody. I don't know the person well, but it's somebody I talked to on WhatsApp about business, right? And the person come from Portmore, and they told me that Portmore is going to go orange, but the same person, I don't know them well, remember, I don't grow with them, I don't know them well, it's just business how I met them. They told me Portmore going orange, right? And it looked like it was going orange to me when I saw all
the momentum,
all those meetings and stuff, it looked orange, real orange. And then I told you Waterhouse told me they were going orange, so I believe Portmore. right? Because Waterhouse had a big celebration, nomination day for the Orange. So I said, okay, Portmore is going. And this guy told me that Portmore gone Orange. But when I asked him close to the election, because, it's a private matter, you're not supposed to really ask people, right? It's very intrusive to ask people who they're voting for. But me with my liberty taking self, ask him politely, by the way, who you going to vote for? And he stalled. But he know I was pushing PNP. He knows I'm an independent voter, and he knew I started to support Mr. Golden and the PNP. So when I said to him, by the way, who you voting for? He stalled. He didn't say PNP, and then him catch himself and say PNP. All right. I didn't say nothing. The election come and I frightened Mr. Price lost the race. And he said to me, Mr. Gold, nobody don't know what Mr. Golden going to do. I said, how could you say that? When I've been talking to you and telling you all the great plans of Mr. Golden. So that was a red flag for me too. After that, I think, I don't know which day it was. It was 2-3 days ago. He come to me with nonsense that, they had a meeting and people in the PNP voted against Mr. Golden. They want a new leader. So I asked Diane, I said, Diane, did they have a meeting since the election? And PNP MPs and councillors said they don't want Mr. Golden. She said, no, Rosie's rubbish. So right there I knew he took the payout and go vote. Him go vote Labour. So a lot of them took the payout. They did.
Because even today, Charity, I was going downtown, so I take the taxi. And the police, I deal with the taxi man, they wicked. And the policeman, them out. So when I the taxi man said, hurry up, hurry, he said, listen to me. I said, no more, hurry up,
let me just finish. Hold on, let me just finish. Anybody will tell lie on Mr. Golden at GLP. No PMP going to tell lie on him. None. Right. They may not like some of him do things, but then when take a blatant lie. My brethren at GLP, I mean I know him good, but me not do no business with him. Him go because he told me that he was a runner. And when I said to him, me no mean to cut your Terry, but it all coming back to me now. When I said to him, you have to get up early, him say him nah go. Him nah do no election this year. Me say, but why? Me say, I am going to put out every effort. And you say you are PMP. So make out him say he's a runner. And him explain to me what a runner is. I said, well, I don't want you to use no violence to get nobody to vote. But pick them up and carry them. Him say, runner, force people. I said, well, I don't want you to force nobody, but go and give them a ride. So when him tell me say I'm not going that right, that's another red flag came up. Because the momentum was with the PMP. The PMP had the momentum, so why you don't want to go? It didn't make no sense to me. But through me no political, me never catch on quick enough. But the other night him come with the rubbish. Say them make meeting and people flew out of the country because they didn't want to keep Mr. Golden as the leader. I said I never heard anything like that. So when I finished talking to Diane, I called him and tell him say him too lie. I said, and he was dead quiet. When he realized I came back strong, I said, you're lying. I said, you're a GLP. You're a liar. I told him, I said, you're a bold-faced liar. He kept quiet. He did. So a lot of them take the payout, a lot of them take the money because GLP gave a lot of money. So even if them a PMP, maybe he's not even a PMP. Maybe he was never a PMP. Maybe he was just fooling, tricking me because he found that I was firm about the PMP, firm in my resolve. So he might try to impress me by pretending to be voting for PMP, but he didn't vote. He voted for Labour, I bet you. And guess what he do? He have pictures on his page in the hat with the orange and in the hat with the green. I said, but you're a general. I say you're a big, him have on orange uniform and him have on green uniform. Him say him got both parties. He say him got both meetings. I say you're a general. I say you're a general. Go ahead, Territor, sir, my love, go ahead.
Yes, and I was saying I was traveling in the taxi and the policeman is on the road. really giving the taxi men them what they good for, what is good for them. So the taxi man said, hurry up and come in, cause I get no ticket. I said, so if you get a ticket, I don't sorry for you. He said, why?
Very good.
He said, because I want to vote for it. He said, so me never did want, so me never did want the government down and to win back, but me never vote. Me say, you voted. Me say, if you never vote, you still voted. You still vote.
Exactly.
Literally go make an X, but you vote. You're satisfied with what he might do to you, So, me no want you talk here. Him never want to vote for Fix Jackson. Because I be a dunce in the PMP. Me say, what you say, sir?
Yeah.
All right, well, make him take him ticket. No, argue with him, make him take him ticket. Make him take
me
it.
shut him out. I make sure I shut him out. I said, all you don't have to know people of
What an
Jamaica. The
idiot.
people of
He's an
Jamaica
idiot.
fail to read, because if you don't go read, you go and find out say all the infrastructure that is holding up Jamaica till today date at my age at 52. A PMP do it, not JLP. The man don't say another word. What time up was straight on a downtown. As in go down again, he start driving on Mickle Road. So me say, why you drive? Because I never see the police. Because the police never stop them and take them out of the vehicle them. Downtown.
Make them take them out.
And I said to him, why you driving in the road to make car lick me down? You have to help me out, Mr. Me not going to allow vehicle to lick me out because you choose, never did forget vote. And when you get it, give the police them and give it to you now, you want to let me have in a middle road for cross road. And that's the only word he said. So the taxi man them can't open them mouth. The police them and give them roast and what? Roast breadfruit and wild breadfruit. And they cannot talk.
I used to feel sorry for them. And Orville, I'm sorry to tell you, darling, I know you drive taxi, but I used to feel sorry for taxi men. I don't anymore. They must get ticket in them bottom. Ticket them, officer, ticket them. Orville, all you have to do is keep your papers right, my love, and don't speed. But the rest of them, I don't business with them. Make them take
Then can't talk them more lock Terry see. Them more lock.
Vote for Terry and that them vote for. Make them take it.
You see how some people, one video with some people, they were carrying on a ball, so they're in a darkness, or Pernell Charles. I would encourage Pernell Charles Jr. to go and take the water also from them. Take everything from them. Everything. They don't forget no, and don't give them the light either.
They don't forget no water. That's right. Make him take it. Go on, Pernell Charles Jr. Go ahead, take the water. Lock it off.
Honorable Pernell
Lock off
Charles
the water.
Jr., please go down to Clarendon and your constituency and take the water from the people also. And don't fix no light. Make mosquito bite them up.
You see them out there.
Because they see the light and they choose to choose darkness. So don't give them no light. They could have block road till then and get the police to throw them off from your constituency office. Go and get the police officers to throw them out. Let them go.
Lock them out. Lock them out.
Yes.
Bolt it.
Throw
Bolt
them
the
out by
office
your
door.
compound.
Bolt it.
Them so.
Put padlock on it and go home, Mr. Charles. Put padlock on the constituency office door and go home to your family. Leave them without the light and the water.
But
That's
at
what
the
they vote
rules,
for.
they never listen. And you tell them, say, when you make a promise, you don't must do it. When you make a commitment, you have to do it. Why these people never listen to their leader?
Wait, what? Somebody say, that's my area, don't say that. Oh, yes, we're saying
I am
Sean.
saying
Sean,
that.
that's why you vote for. Sean, come up here. Come up. Bring him up, Diane. Come here, Sean. Sean,
I want Colonel Charles, Honorable Colonel Charles Jr. to go and take the water also.
Mr. Charles, you don't have to worry about them, sir. Mr. Charles, worry about yourself, sir. Worry about your family and your riches.
And your health.
Make a lot of money. Go and take more money, Mr. Charles. Take the money.
Because you're young. Right.
No, don't say
For 2 years you are in darkness.
Diane,
For
bring
2
up Sean,
years.
love. Bring him up.
I sent him
The
there.
people them say
Don't
2 years
say
they in the
that.
darkness, Auntie Terry.
Alive.
2 years them in the darkness under the same MP, and he promises to never fix it. Then if he never fix it, how long? For 2 years.
Mr. Charles, don't waste your time on them. They don't need it because they vote say they don't want it. They vote that they're happy with the darkness. Don't give them the light, sir. Don't waste your time on these people. Them no want no light nor no water. Sean no want no water. Sean is okay. Him go river go bathe. Make Sean go river go wash up him plate and him cup and him saucer and him knife and fork and his pots. That's what they voted for. Mr.
Exactly.
Charles, you enjoy your riches.
Because
Sean, you have to go down a river and use peanut wally in a bottle for the light. Well, Pablo, it's not fee money, darling, but you give it to him. Them a thief the money and vote them back in, so that means you want him to have the taxpayer money, so don't cry. Don't cry to me, cry to
don't
God.
have no money. It's 1 PM money. That's why he put everybody to come and steal it. So we know why you're not from
want one prime minister, one. You have the one on a want. So don't cry to us, cry to God.
So I don't want Barabbas to give you anything at all.
No, man. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. You had your opportunity. God provided a better way for all of us, those abroad and those at home, to start to turn over a new page. You all said no, no, no. You want things to remain the same. See, Mr. Oldness promised to do the drainage down Kingston. He promised to clean out all the drains, especially the ones where he did the new road. Not one drain no clean or repair. See the flood there? Hey, 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 hey. Mrs. Oldness bought a whole for garbage trucks in the first term, and garbage still now pick up every week. That's what on a vote on want it to stay the same. Don't cry to us, cry to God. And guess what? God now listen to no more. God has hardened his heart against you. No. Don't cry to God. Don't waste my father time. God up in heaven don't have no time to waste with you. No. That's why I'm not flood out.
It's nowhere on the ark. It was nowhere on the ark.
Me see one man after tree say you have to lift them up across. Him say people cannot manage to walk, him have to lift them. Go on. I not lifting none of them across the flood.
Normally the cat man would push the people across, but not even the cat man couldn't cross it. Because I was in Africa, may I tell you.
I bet you after this on a vote better next time. I bet you. I bet you know, if Jamaicans stop help you know, if the diaspora stop open them purse to know, I bet you say you never vote bad again. I bet you next time you vote for policy. And what is fair and just and not corruption, I bet you. I bet you. God is going to teach you a lesson now, you know. On own, because God has hardened the hearts of good Jamaicans. Our heart is hardened.
See, I love say a 1 month, then I have no water. I don't want brother Charles to do not even a job.
Month.
Not even real, me no want God fall down a carrying that day.
Not even real.
No mess.
Sean,
too wicked.
You don't have no light, no water. You without water for a month. I want it to be a year.
2 years.
I'm on too short. I'm on
2 years, you don't have no light. So me want the water go 2 years too.
And see him have up him green cup there. Him a labor right. See him green cup there. All right.
So me don't know when they come over here and pity party. Me so block him.
Don't block him. Not block him. Make him stay. Make him stay. Him now say nothing rude. Leave him. Him I forget the mouth lashing. It's a mouth lashing him getting, you know, from me not trouble nobody. But me I beat them with my mouth. Because them forget it.
Patsy say me people that go on the man office can make up nice. Oh, they promise them light.
No, don't go there.
2 years. I want to get the police and lock them up. You should lock them up with the police.
I support Mr. Charles not to give no.
Young honorable.
Yes, Mr. Charles.
Dr. Charles. Charles of Dr. Vanillium. Young honorable Dr. Charles. Go and get the police and show those people out there your promises when they come and make nice, more light. The Prime Minister told them that when you make a promise, you know, must fulfill it. You have to make a commitment. So they go for the promise. The people that say you promise them, that means that you're not to hold responsible for the promise. Because the Prime Minister tell them. Say you are not responsible for a promise, but
call all of them. We have to call all of them.
And if you get the chance, look at the water too.
Yep. Hey, I want
Honorable Dr. Charles
in Kingston too.
Junior
And St. Andrew. All over Jamaica.
Go and lock out the
off.
water that was chlorine in your constituency.
Lock it off, Mr. Wellness. Lock it off. Mr. Sean says 1 month. Mr. Sean, you have to go river, go bathe. You have to go wash the pot down the river. Carry your uniform down there, go wash it. Your knife and fork, that's the life. You have to go down. No water for you, sir. That's why your vote say you don't want no water. Mr. Golden came and said he was going to go and sort out things. He gave a manifesto that you could read. And if you can't read, you could get a family member read it for you. You're not even interested. You never read none. You heard me voice all over the place day and night begging you and telling you what is good for you. And you tell me, say you don't want it. By voting back, Mr. Wallace, you telling me, say, no, thank you, Rose. No, thank you. Keep your scholarship.
One more thing, Auntie Rose. I want the people them that pay rent and the people them place, the rent owners raising the rent. Because they did again.
Oh yes, raise the rent. Raise the rent. JLP living there, give them notice. If JLP there, give them notice.
No, give them double.
Put them up.
Give them double, because they will come out. Because they cannot pay the double. They're 50,000 and 10,000 and 20,000 finished. And we can't talk this more because no more rent.
Give them the rent according to US dollars because Jamaica is running off by equivalent to US dollar. So
and the US is going to $200.
Yes,
the US is moving from $160 to $200 come by January. So we're going to suffer.
Suffer. One bedroom America $1,000 charge. Do not give them nothing less for the rent. Put them out. If it's JLP, make them go rent from JLP. Make them go up on the squatters' land with them family. Put them out. Mr. Dapper. Mr. Dapper, good evening. Mr. Dapper, good evening, sir. Oh, jump off a JLP.
You run gun.
Them have to run, man, because them bottom are gonna burn them. Them are gonna sit down in a hot fire. Hot. Oh yeah. It sweet me. No, Mr.
I don't know how Pernell. I don't know. Hold on, Auntie Rose. I don't know why the people let Pernell Charles tell them that he's gonna let them get the light after 2 years, and he is the MP down here for forever, and he never given her the light. You think 1 p.m. on their PS? No, we know. So I want them to go and lock the water off. I'm dead serious. So I am balling out over here. Go, Dr. Pernell Charles, Honorable Pernell Charles Jr. Go to your constituency. Anybody come cross the about put up no placard, lock them up. You have the law to back you, sir. Lock them up. Because the Prime Minister tell them, but them blow up. Be on when them go meet. When the Prime Minister talk and they don't listen. The Prime Minister said, I promise. You don't just do a promise. You have to make a commitment. And you never make a commitment with them. You make a promise. So don't give them any light. Lock off the water also. Let them suffer.
Mr. Charles, let me hear. So you can take more. Them vote for you for. Then you are taking it and they're happy that you take it. Don't give them no water, sir. Them don't deserve none.
So they gone and the young man office gonna make up nice and go out with themselves like nobody cares. Nobody cares.
We don't give a rat's bottom.
Me back him too.
Mr. Charles, PMP back you. Don't give them no water. Take the taxpayer money, it belongs to you, sir. They knew you were taking it and they still vote you back. That means they want you to have it. It's a gift. Sir, it's a gift. Take the money. Take it. Don't give them no water. Make them do it out. They have river. Clarendon have river. Make them go bathe in the river, sir. Like when they do from Wappyfield kill up there. From way back in the time, they bathe in the river. And I wash clothes in the river. I saw them want to live, sir. Sir, they're happy with them life. They feel good. They're happy with it. Them no want nothing better for them children, not for themselves. So, Mr. Charles, you worry about your children and yourself. Don't
Exactly.
worry about them.
Because you're very young.
And that's what they
No, nobody, no big people
and
go
that's
stress you out here, Mr. Brennan Charles. Honorable Brennan Charles, don't let your constituency stress you out. Lock them up and throw away the key if them mother you.
When the nice, sweet, beloved mothers we can't walk, want to be make them haul her pat them back. Carry down the river. Carry mama go a river, go bed, and papa. Don't give them no water, Mr. Charles, for them say. Taxpayer money belong to you, sir. They knew you were taking it, and they don't care. They know you didn't provide no light nor no water, and they still voted for you. That means they're satisfied with your governance. They're happy the way you're governing Clarendon. Sir, so you are welcome to stay. You stay right there. Lock the constituency door. Don't open it.
One more
Don't
thing,
let nobody come and
Auntie
bully you.
Rose, for uno hungry belly PMP people, we're calling ourselves PMP people, don't Honorable Dr. Charles, I want you to find them specially and chop down on the line we're running on the yard. Chop it off, clean, and take off the pipe.
I love Terry. Terry's raising
Licky, we're taking
I love it.
$50,000 day. Yeah, man. More Honorable Colonel Charles too. They're going to take off the card off of the light post. Not all of it run, you know, feel like buckle towards and black up in the nose like when we in our country. Buckle towards you no deserve. I would know what for. Wood fire. We's and that. So stop up on me. If I ever soon what them man said on my phone again, you see, me a soon know. Oh, that's so much to come.
Lord have mercy. Anne-Marie said them feel lock them up. Anne-Marie said lock them up. Yes. If they come and demonstrate, lock them up. For you have laws that say enough to demonstrate. Mr. Holness put in law on the books that prohibit you from demonstrating. So go ahead, Mr. Charles, you have the law on your side. Out of order. You can see you get better offer in a life. Me not say you must believe everything. What should he say me wicked? Lorna said, you're wicked, me belly. But Lorna, honestly, sweetheart, is not wicked. But if somebody don't want good for themselves, who am I to dictate to them and tell them that they must choose good for themselves? No, let them take the bad. Let them run with it. Let them live with the bad situations. You know, I am not one to say, believe everything a politician say. I am not like that. But when somebody come with a good offer and it makes sense, I see that it's doable. You look at it and say, if nobody steal the money, all these things can be done as long as nobody steal the money. And you refuse it. Things that can uplift your life and you refuse it. I have no right to feel no sympathy for you. No right.
Exactly.
No right to feel no sympathy. No sympathy.
None at all, Auntie Rose. Especially to those licky overbelly comrade them. Not even comrade. We don't know what them are what. We're going to take money and I don't know what come ball for the poor young man. To come stress out the young man about to not have like 2 years. Don't know.
Lorna said we're wicked. But Lorna, are them people that wicked to themselves? We're voting back, Mr. Charles. Are them wicked to themselves?
Lorna said I'm belly a jump out.
That's what she said. That's what she said. But
she said be wicked. We
Lorna
wicked
said
guy.
that them forget. Lorna said that it's not true because Lorna even God himself now has turned his back on them.
Yes.
When God hardened, it's when God hardened good people heart. It's not because of harden my heart, it's God which
Auntie Rose, what's hurt me? Yesterday when I go to church, Auntie Rose, me see somebody, me didn't even know what them name. Call themselves, but them a Christian, gone up, they can't ball. Oh Lord, help me, I pray that God help me. Break. But you vote for corruption. You vote for, I just grab my bag, me never walk with them yesterday even when I come. I just grab my bag, me and my daughter, I feel up that church. You know why I hear nothing from them.
That's right.
Nothing from them, I don't want to hear.
That's right.
You know a ball, but you know pray for nation. For nation. I don't go vote for Labour, right? Turn a blind eye that the Prime Minister is going to court. Next month, next couple of days.
They better come out.
He is going to court to defend himself against corruption and still vote for himself. And come about to God again. I want to know God somewhere else to look for people when mean him good. God says I don't mean him no good, so him God somewhere else. He turned him eyes for something else.
So true.
Because he knew what will happen to us.
True.
I know God I come black road. Uno PMP. Uno PMP, we claim say no have sense.
Hold on. If jail... Go ahead, Mama. You want me to change my mind? Them have to come out in the street and denounce fullness and tell them to step down because him don't win. If they want me to change my mind, them have to sure. They did. And the man, they have to come out and denounce it and ask him to step down. If them not,
but Auntie Rose, they not have to do that, you know.
Water,
they don't have to do that, you know. Just watch God work. Me and I will put people run out and attack all the prophecy. Them did a lie. Who not attack too soon. Because anyone I want to buy no popcorn, go and go buy it. Because we're going into series 3, episode 1 of 1 p.m. Yes, they talk too soon because of what things is going to take place.
And the PMP is not working with him. Mr. Golden is not, we are telling we don't because he's here and quicker. So have their agenda to do their agenda. Leave Mr. Holness, let him fix his mess on his own. So no help coming from, don't look for no help. You didn't want your business. Stay out of your business. Because they didn't want him. Holness, fix on the next. And that's why
I want more thing, Auntie Rose. So, all parents were voting.
None. Don't.
Yes. And to the parents, they will vote for the free bus ride. For the 2 months. You see, after 2 months.
No, them don't want it. They don't want it. But let me warn you know, when Mr. Golden put down him foot in Parliament, that's him not doing something in here. So if you gripe, if you want to gripe, but we are backing Mr. Golden and the PMP MPs not to participate. We don't want them to participate with Mr. Holness' team that in Parliament. Third term loading. When you turn and say, okay, so go on, go make Mr. Holness fix on the business. Go on. Don't look for
Yes.
PNP to help. When he's elected, they will do what they promise. Okay. And that's why there. So we have a divided country, a divided island. We're not together, we don't know no more. We're done. We're done. We're done. We wanted
And that is why they have a press conference so early after the election afterwards.
Okay.
14 did look like God did multiply the 14 to 28. Now we have 28 and God multiply God we have 50. Because it's gonna be doubled.
Chris say, let go of the Prime Minister. We let go of him. He's all yours. Enjoy your third term, buddy. My Jamaican brother, enjoy your third term. If you know wash way, go on, enjoy it, baby. Enjoy it, enjoy. And Mr. Holness, please build 2 more mansions, sir. Don't leave office without 2 more mansions for the money. Take the taxpayer money, call them give it to you, sir. They gave you back the purse to hold the purse. Sir, help yourself. Drain it out. Drain it out, sir. Chris, we let go in church. We're done.
And
we're
if
done,
Chris,
sir.
and if
Chris, we're done. Enjoy your
and if Chris, and if Chris still in Jamaica, Chris, the police them still are sending to Jamaica. They start back again. They did stop. They did stop. When near to the election, you know, you no police killing. They start again, Chris. Chris, if you're a young man,
yes,
always pray every night and tell God, say, I am going to meet my maker because the police will come for you. Yes, well, Mr. Chris.
Hold on, let me see who this is. CL, good evening, CL. Good evening, CL. I have a feeling you're a Jamaica Labour Party supporter. CL?
No, stop brand the rules. Stop brand me.
All right.
They
told me not to do it, you know. They told me not to.
Stop brand me.
All right.
You know, I never know to come up in the box, but me I listen to you still. You know, say it.
So what you say? What you say? Tell me how you feel.
You want hear my feelings.
Yes,
you see when you see the day when them do them house, and them refuse to second the chairman, yeah man. Me just change me the depend thing there, number.
Yeah man, go ahead.
You know, user. But now me got that name now. So when them never second it, I agree with it. The only part I never agree with is when them go up there and hug up and kiss up and car.
And I shake her hand, me go with you too. Them shouldn't shake their hand, walk out like Warmington.
That's what me said. That's all I said.
Walk out like Warmington.
You them say we mean business. We are not coming here to play with them because we not play with we. He might call some mark for, join him with solve crap. But at the same time, I juke him and I laugh, I juke him and I laugh. You know, see it? Yeah.
Who laugh last, laugh best.
Exactly.
Yeah. Who laugh last, laugh best.
So
let me tell you.
I believe that them have to go in there and fight. And I believe them have to do something with the electoral system because something rigged.
Calling overseas help.
No way a man like Bobby, they down 40% and win big. And down 40% in every poll. And
he have no counselor.
And win big. You know see it. So tell me something wrong. I believe something wrong. But them have to go work out that and get it together. You understand? And I don't believe he's gonna do 5 years. I do believe things still gonna happen because he still have those clouds over his head. And if him can buy out that system there go deal with him.
He cannot buy out the system because the world is watching.
Well,
and we're not turning into 80.
But now I go saying can't. You understand? Because already it is named that them want name that girl to be the DPP. Remember, say she let him go twice. If them name her, there's nothing we could do. We have to take it. You understand? There's nothing we could do.
We can do something about it because the FID that they put that Dennis Strong in is also linked with overseas. Too. So it's not Jamaica's last say.
Well,
in that department.
Yeah. Let's see. That's what I said. So me just a watch and me follow my leader. But me still a watch. Me like my leader them to step up and grind it. Don't go there go yes man them and play up with them because they not play with me.
No.
Them show you that on the election day, you know. Say we not come here to play with them. You know. A long time them are talking about we never listen because Andrew say him have something for we an election day. You understand? And then did. You know. So that's what I have to say.
Yeah. They already planned what they did. And I wondering what that man from Israel were doing in Israel or India was doing in the electoral office.
Yeah. Well, I don't know about me. No, me not believe it was straight them win so. Because in every poll, not everything we are outclass them and them win. Come on.
Well, the bad news is CI is that Jamaica will not bow to the beast system. If Jamaica go bow to it, it will be the last country on planet Earth that will bow to it. So Andrew Wallace can't force it down with what?
No.
God is not going to allow him to do it.
No.
But being a the debate about, oh, I am innocent, you can trust me. Well, God is going to expose you, sir, for the world to see.
Well,
and then he's going to remove you shortly.
Mr. Panton said, Mr. Panton did said, whatever the investigation team name did, them have no doubts. Everything with them do, them have concrete proof for it. So me can walk out of it and say, oh, they were lying and this and that, like they're spreading, that false rumor that they're spreading. If one see the man go up on the debate and say, I am not under investigation, me know that man I dry, that man lie.
And you know what again I see, what I know that this man is really lie. When he know all of a sudden he start boss, so we use 2 taxis to reach Wembley. But you never talk about the taxi, sir. It's the IC. Find out so you have it, sir. So how can you? The man don't have no morals.
Man is integrity. That's all I can say. And it's going to take a time for wind up. It might not even be there. Because I think Buchanan serious of bringing him into court. And maybe that truth, remember, that's the way he gained power. That's the same way he gained power.
Forget it. The court something.
Yeah. And that time it took 1 year for him to get it. So let's see what that gonna say. You understand? Let's see what that gonna say.
And if not, they run over bucket because he cannot win because every time the people them vote against him in teeth it.
well, then it's gonna be only one place to be concentrated on. So if it's a run over back, I only one place to go concentrate on. Them will bring in everybody come work. You understand? Everybody come work. Yeah. So let's hope and keep our fingers crossed so that will happen. You know, something will happen. And it might be moved sooner than we even think. Yeah. But them can't tell me say nothing now go on. Me know something go on. You can down 40% and you still win the election. You win. No, sir. No. And that's bad. You know, democracy now show in the country. And me hear Rose say something, you know. And me back him, you know, because me not hear nothing what me don't know. Don't that's all. You understand? Me have to really know say you and my people for me for hear you. You understand? Nothing, not at all. Don't have no ambition down at that.
True.
You understand? Nothing. Me have my thing I send good on never get no one. Yep. Just cut them off just like that.
Me not support them neither, me not support them stuff.
No, me not support them.
I prefer go down a town, don't give me such tiny man eat. I swear.
Me not support them. Not support them. Me I tell you. I don't support them. Because them man there, can't believe that them vote against housing, them vote against better school.
Education of your children. The education of your children you vote against. Look how much of them have to find UWF now. If you send your picnic at university when you don't get it for free. And some don't even live now where somebody who don't even have a first dollar and a pay rent.
True.
Yep.
Mighty God. No, sir, I never see a set of people fools, so. You know, pay rent and not have they pay your rent 6 months straight without itching and owing, and you qualify for own a house. And who vote against that labor right downtown?
So we are taking them land, give them right type problem.
Jesus Christ.
Remember.
Mighty God.
They educate them wrongly, undermine them and educate them that way. Let them
The first child from the house that going to university will get the chance to go to university for free. See? Free. You know, if you find the 100 and the 200 and 1,000. I don't know, pay rent plus food bill, light bill, water bill, and not have more kids. I don't know who carry the loan. Mighty God. No, sir. I'm going to vote against that. So, no for we. We don't vote for $18,000. I know it's not domestic helper. I'm not a domestic helper. And that's enough vote for. When the threshold would have cost, we have more money in our pocket because we're not going to pay the tax. Then 14,000 and then 10,000 will come out of fortnight time. Out of our pay, go stay back in our pocket. So for the month, we have $20,000 where we never expect to have in our pocket. I don't vote against that. Uno idiot. The one I know. I don't vote against that. They make me keep my $14,000 in my pocket. I'm space bigger than me. I'm gonna pull up, take time, put up one little room. I rent out house of a hot bread, you know.
My business people for let them go.
I mean, if you support to no look where, yeah.
My business people to let them go. And then vote to get 32,000.
When you not get, you get something live. Next year, we top tier. We not pay no taxes. Brother, you know easy when you get to pay slip and when you look and see how much money gone out to eat, brother.
Listen, Josie. What's up?
And my Golden was putting back that money in our pocket. Me not take it. Let me take from the rich and give to Uno. No, Uno always want the rich. Them take from the poor and give to the rich. If Uno one hour ever put up Uno hand over here, put up Uno head. Me go in the group, in the text group of that search for Uno. Anything me say look like labor right me a black Uno. Uno too wicked. Wicked! When me see me PSA Friday, me feel up on here and say, look here. Next year, mother stop pay them my money, you know. Me da have at least a 20 or 30,000 dollars in my pocket. Different from me pay, because me keep my money. Look how me pay housing trust. Eh? I don't know vote for me. Go and continue to pay it and make the rich get it. Don't like that. I could not vote for 18,500 because I am not a domestic helper.
Stupid.
And by the hour me get PO. It's by the hour me get PO. I feel like I want ball, you know, man. These dunted, hungry belly people.
Fool people then. Then buy them out.
Imagine me look on it, Diane. You get your pay. For the 2 months of the pay when you take it up. Call it say you don't get $150,000 for the month. Plus they don't charge $30,000 for tax. You get that $30,180,000 that you know.
No.
For the month, you know.
That could have helped stretch to an old smarty too.
And me just put it this up. Lord Jesus Christ, God, me tired for pay tax. From 18 years old till now, because me always at work when I sit on a yard. Me tired for pay tax, and we not see what we pay tax for. And these people don't listen, they don't learn, they only want to hear. Get one piece of KFC if you go on. Go on. Go on campaign trail. Uno labor right. Take 2 weeks, 2 months. Uno Uncle Belly PMP too. Yeah, cost on too. But on the 2 month bus free radio, we have to tell them raise a bus fare for you. Make back all the way. You don't get for the 2 months for free.
$5,000.
Remember me tell you that. Me not ask and not tell me, I tell you no. I want to make me still a pay tag when me say, well, Diane, when me look for me pay slip Friday.
Hurt.
Remember, man, it hurt me. You said that little money there. Could I do something else? And these idiots. Eh? Some of them in a rent out and run out contact about shower to not own the way. Own the way. I not pay rent every month. Somebody when you look at a rubbish pan, a beer tin mackerel in it. Somebody don't even have nothing. Sometimes when some of them open their lunch at the time, you pass it, you look at what they can't come to work. I want to look at come to work. What you know wrong go vote for labor right?
They could have eat something better. Have more money than them.
They could have get a house for own and stop pay the rent. Instead, the money where you pay for rent, you go pay for mortgage for the house. Own a house and the people house, they not go take go no. Them are going to build house to make you get it. That is what housing trust was for.
It's for.
Uno get up. Uno no listen. Uno take a rubbing promise. When that the 18,005, if it come, a whole heap of Uno go home, go sit down. Uno domestic helper, Uno go home, go sit down in the yard. Because the people them look about them pitney themselves. Because them cannot afford to pay because them not getting a raise now. And you only sign with the IMF say them not getting no raise. Because he have to pay down the debt. Because the man never had to pay down the debt, he was paying down the interest on the debt.
And I now tell them the truth, just like the dollars. Pumping money in it.
In June, I think on June 15, June 9th, one of the day he signed to the IMF. That no policeman, no teacher, no owner. Not getting not even dollar. Or do not get.
They not know.
But you have to pay 18, you have to raise the helper money to 18,500, which yes, we want the raise. But if you're not raise or pay me, how them are going to pay me? Tell me how them are going to pay me. I am not a domestic helper. Only me work.
All of those built up and pent up, fecal matter.
So me I work far way more than even the $32,000 a week. Way more than that me I work a week.
To have on a regular basis.
And I'm putting the time.
This stupid decision they make.
And by evening, before you go to bed,
Stupid.
If it is that the teacher didn't get $100, are you go and give me $180, then where the teacher will get it from to pay you? The teacher will get up already her picnic and carry go to school and clean the house herself. Yes. So all of the lazy labor right them and the sell out PMP them will learn to tidy up on the house yourself. Because you're not going to be able to pay it. And the economy is not growing.
You get them.
It is not growing, it's stagnant. And the US dollar make it even worse, is going to go up, and the IMF request that. Say it must go to $200.
What am I going to do?
If you ever pass on the labor right and pick one of my mango, them have a bite tree, me a lock you up. Me say if you don't pick one of my mango, me June plum, and me a care for me tree, I am going to arrest you. Because they arrest. Watch me on man. You do not suffer my yard. I am very serious about it. I'm not going to be no hungry, not too wicked. Wicked!
Wait, man. This is how I'm going to cut her. The Lord not come yet. Wow, I say my belly. That's worse than what we expect.
Me serious that me say if them pass and look up in a me mango tree. Me make sure I go put me say me go put camera there. I swear to God. Me go put up camera right round the premises. If you don't look for me aki tree and me mango tree and me jump from tree boat hungry kill you know what. Me say me a lock you up and that's the key. Me a in a courthouse.
Yeah.
You not come picking anything. Me change. You not care coming to me and come pick the mango. You know if you go and go be here no hungry. I'm serious about it.
On a weekly basis and get it done.
Same so. So damn sad.
On a worthless parents who have no picnic at our school. 2 months worth of bus fare. Free ride. And a $30 they picnic them a pay or $40 them a pay on them bus. I don't give up the education of the children. So one free bus ride, and when the People's National Party in a power, uno get in a bubble double, uno get all of them something there. So when you put on 1,000, you get 2,000, so that can serve all for a month for the picnic them go to school. Uno fool.
Why I can't believe I know celebrate the PMP they really. You a man come on the platform and say come on board. You say really? That PMP? Yes. And he lied. Mr. Come on.
We don't want none of them when you vote to come up here come give me no talk neither because you vote. You're silent vote. You agree with how things are good, that's why you don't vote.
If you want to control your immune system, all these things, BioCleanse
That is what.
I'm a delegate too, you know. Me a delegate.
I'm saying, but
You see?
now rub shoulder when we have select the president then.
Yeah.
Yep. Always been a delegate. Always.
And one thing with the People's National Party, we always have a little group them and so probably forward they not going for the group and I go text in the group and wonder what I go on. When you figure out we look meet now we delegate meet.
Not for me part of me. Something. Best child strong. I think about 3 to 4 me council. But I'm in my district that what them do.
Alright.
Oh.
I still let the people them and
Ter, I heard you.
I'm sorry.
Ter, I heard you.
Yes, Auntie Rose.
I hear you raising Kian, man. I hear you.
Ter sound like
I heard you. Kitchen. I was in the kitchen, so I had to put it on mute because I was in the kitchen. So I had to mute the mic so you don't hear the disturbance.
Yes.
The Vex, man. The Vex.
I heard you. Loud and clear. I heard you.
Yep.
The thing that one of the things that kind of me lose half of Damian Campbell because the man campaigned so well. Damian Campbell campaigned so well.
Dayton.
Not him. Mr. Crawford, me mean. Not Mr. Campbell, Mr. Crawford.
Oh, Damian Crawford.
Is he the one that go hug up the GLP? Or is Dayton Campbell?
The one of them go like Angela Brownberg.
I don't know her.
I see one gone up the guy hug up this woman way before she got along already. She don't feel so she get enough of the Jamaican people them.
I don't know her. Where she run? Up in St. Andrew?
And she get Portia seat. In the 3 miles area.
That is near to me. That's near to me. Because Mr. Dennis Gordon is my MP. He won his seat. Did Mr. Dennis Gordon go and hug up anybody?
I don't know. I never watched
I hope not.
Because what I have seen is just Brownberg and
no, then
a couple of them go shake hand.
Then it's not ugly.
Well, did Mr. Crawford hug up anybody?
I don't see it. I never see any clip of it.
I hope not.
You shake hand.
Him shouldn't shake no hand though, but I'm glad he never hug up nobody, but him shouldn't shake no hand because look here, he campaigned so well against them. He campaigned so well, he told the truth about the whole setup. He campaigned so well. So for him to go shake them hand is a letdown. Him shouldn't shake no hand at all, but that's not so bad like the hugging up. That's not too bad. But going forward, him no need for shake no more hand. PMP not to shake no more hand. No.
And then the cabinet that they name put back on these patapos.
Juicy. All on the territory. Juicy. All Jamaicans are with family. So when you say all politicians are friends, they are not enemies. They don't have to be enemies for you not to shake their hand when they steal. All Jamaicans, I love all Jamaicans, whether they're good or bad, but I don't agree. I don't agree with some of them the way they live their life. So Juicy, they don't have to be enemies for you to not shake their hand.
When they are doing it wrong.
When you go and shake the hand, that means you hug up the corruption. That means you're embracing it. That's not good.
It's like when a child give trouble and you spank him, you go back and hug him up. Like him not do nothing wrong. You do something wrong, so you get spanked.
Yeah, you can't be shaking hands with somebody who steals.
Right.
So Juicy, that don't mean that you're gonna hate them or no.
You just show them to you stand up for what you speak. Anything you want to speak, your action supposed to show it.
I don't hate Mr. Holness, but I don't agree with some of the things that he do. And I know he said he's gonna fix the hospital because I campaign for hospital. And I'm sure he's not gonna fix it. He said he's gonna fix the hospital. He came out because I was campaigning for hospital. He don't have no money to fix it. The money is gone. And PMP is not gonna allow him to take no more. So it's over. Them hospital that won't fix. I can tell you that. And who is gonna suffer? The Jamaican people, not me. Because I don't live there. So I have good hospital where I'm at. I have good hospital.
Because Auntie Rose, they don't have the majority of the pass and do as them please and walk past and step past no matter what you say.
All right.
Yeah.
One thing I'm saying to the PMP members of parliament, they must take the money and uplift their constituency. They must. They cannot do like all-time days where they take the money and no improvement. You hear, Mr. Hilton? You're one of the famous one there, Mr. Hilton, PMP Hilton, where you have a constituency, the Seaview Gardens, in our Rambles. You must, sir, respectfully, you must go into Seaview and improve it because they vote you back in, sir. Mr. Dennis Garden, my MP, you must go and clean out the gully properly. You must do it in a timely fashion because the tree them bigger than me and you. Mr. Dennis Garden, you must. All right. All of you, I don't know all of them. I don't know all of them. Mr. Holness win back, take him seat. He need to go and improve his constituency. Mr. Golden was doing his. Mr. Golden was doing his. He need to continue. He improved the football team, he improved the netball team, he must continue. He must also improve the looks, the environmental look, clean up the gutter water, clean up the garbage. MPs must make sure the councillors take up the garbage. If the council not doing the job, they must be penalized. They cannot just take the money and go home with the money. Or take it and give to the dance and nothing is being done. If you want to give the dance money, give them out your pocket. Do not give them taxpayer money no more. The place have to fix up. If you want to make a gift to the Dan to keep him in your pocket, give him your money. Do not give him taxpayer money. The taxpayer money must go and clean up the gully, clean up the garbage, tear down the old zinc fence them, make we run brick wall one by one. One by one, we will make brick wall one by one. Okay. Clean up the place. Make Jamaica look good. Make all of Jamaica look good, not just some place. The garrison them don't look good. They don't look good. So make them look terrible.
Take down the zinc fence as Portia was doing.
Yes, since she started it, let's continue it. Take them down. Make we put brick one by one. The MP them get enough money. If they start, they will get to the goal. You just have to start. No more taking the money and eating the money. No more taking the money and giving it to the Dan and the work not done. Only when you see holiday come, you jump for clean up gully. No, it must clean up in a timely fashion. Whether it's every 3 months, every 3 months is good. Chop up everywhere, every 3 months is good.
And just to add to what you say, Auntie Cherry C. And the craving of is must give the MP them the right amount of money. Evil.
Yes. Well, that is Mr. Golden's job to make sure that happens. That's Mr. Golden's job. Yes.
You stop giving the labor rights MP all the money and give the PMP them none, a little bit.
No. Then evil. Wrong, take him to court. If you know that the MP for the, because him have to show the receipt, you know.
Yes.
The receipt have to match the amount we come out of the Jamaica pocketbook. It have to match it, right? It have to show where it draw, how much was drawn, and how much cash out. It have to show. So once Mr. Golden says it's not working right and they're not getting the right amount, take them to court.
Exactly.
Mr. Holness not take no talk. Oh no, Mr. Holness is a Dan man. Him not take talk. Dans don't take talk from nobody. Right? Dans are them own boss. Them not take no talk. Worst I know, Mr. Wellness get away with this election, yeah, him not take no talk. So take him to court. Whatever he's not doing right, take him into the court. That's it. Because the MP must get the same amount of money. All of them so they can fix
because
the
the people have elected the MPs to represent them. So if you're not giving them the right amount of money, you take it again. So I think we're not going to stay in there. Who say 4th term and 5th term and all that turn. Watch the turn, we're going on. It's not term, it's turn.
When I want to give a gift, I don't take my daughter money and give it away. I use mine. So if the MPs want to give the Dons a gift, give them your money. Don't give them taxpayer money. The taxpayer money is not your money to give to people. It is to use to clear up the place. Get people who will do the job. And not people who go overcharge you. The Don go and charge you out $1 million for cut one bush. Don't bother with that. Don't bother with that. If you want to give the Don some money, give him out of your bank book. When I make a gift to somebody in Jamaica or America, I go in my bank book. And I don't cover my daughter inheritance. What I have put down for my daughter's inheritance when me two eye close, I'm not giving nobody that. I go in my saving and give it to who I want to give. So if the MPs want to make a present, go in your bank account and take it and give to the Don. The Don don't care where you get the money from. I'm just glad to get it. So that is that. Okay.
Exactly.
That is that.
Exactly.
Enough is enough.
I want to hear from the MPs. MPs must keep monthly meeting within the constituency.
And the councillor must go every week to his. The councillor must go to his constituency every week.
Every week, we fish you know.
Every week.
Remember, grab your
I tell Jamaicans say, if you don't see the councillor, vote them out next time. 2 years from now, vote them out. Vote them out. If the garbage now pick up, vote them out, Jamaica. I will join you. Vote them out.
And go and look for the
pick up.
And MPs, you need to go and look for the most vulnerable persons in the constituency, especially the children that is not going to school. You no need to go. Send people go there, go look for them. Because they voted against the lunch.
This is for all MPs, all members of parliament, all councillors, not JLP or PMP, all.
Because the parents voted against getting money for the $10,000 per month for bus fare for the children for school. And the hot meals that they will get, proper food. Not no sardine and mackerel when I fry up with crackers and bread and all of them food. It's a roll up bread filled with prisoner they make it for.
Today, but until then, ladies and gentlemen, we're going at the box. I'm
gonna refuse that.
Right now, I wonder if anybody know them children. Remember, me tell you, we don't play around.
So the MP them need to work, or we go and vote on no P, J, or no P at all. If we don't JP or no P at all, we're going to vote him out. No turf taking. Too much turf taking MP in Jamaica that doing nothing for the people.
All right.
We're tired of it. What MP will work? If you know say you don't work, you don't better put up back yourself. Because we go and vote you out. And about that fee say not go thief we vote again. And so no now go get the chance to thief we vote. So go back up because say I win.
Hey. Well, if the Jamaican people allow them to take it away, they just have to do it out and suffer. Because right now, Mr. Oldness say I'm going to fix hospital and I don't see where I'm going to get them. Him don't have no money to fix no hospital. The money is gone. It gone in a pocket and it gone in an election. It gone. So I don't know where I'm going to get money to fix it because the hospital, all of the hospital, them need full haul over. Them need equipment and them need repairing. The one down at Savlamar, it a leak. When you look, you see the river coming through the roof.
Spanish we have to wear water boots. It's a lucky thing the rain never fall out of St. Catherine because I know the people would have get a belly and a sail in the water. Oh God, Terry see the belly would have sail. And I never wanted to swim.
My barn, I never see a hospital roof leak in a ward. I never see that yet. From my barn.
If we got that rain in St. Catherine, that fall in Kingston, mighty God. Me now ask. I hope I don't people that down in the hospital.
Jamaica turned the pit of hell I've never seen in my life. Hospital roof leak like a fountain, like a waterfall. I've never seen that. I've never seen in my life the bus. I saw the video 2 days ago. The bus flood and the children sit in the bus with them shoes in the water. I've never seen that. Jamaica turned the pit of hell. Oh yeah. Jamaica gone to the dogs.
And I heard the Chinese crying out to they don't get no money for, but the labor rights them run out. Oh, it's the Chinese government. No Chinese people can put up any demonstration against their country. None. It's against their law.
Well, I have never seen that in all my time in growing up in Jamaica. I never see Chinese demonstrate yet. Not one day. Not one day in my life.
Some of them even go to the
pit. Mr. Holness turned Jamaica into the pit of hell.
Some of them even go to the job and say a portion it's signed for the hospital for bill.
Third term loading. Third term. Oh yeah. Pit of hell loaded. Oh yeah.
Myself.
Pit of hell loaded. Pit of hell. I have never seen Chinese demonstrate in all my life in Jamaica. I don't see them demonstrate in America. I don't see them demonstrate in Canada. I've traveled the world and I've never seen Chinese demonstrate. Not once. And I've traveled the world. I've never seen it. But Chinese come and demonstrate in Jamaica because Jamaica corrupt. The people don't get paid for 6 months because the money take. I used to buy election. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. What a disgrace. It's a what you think will happen if them stop cleaning drains? Exactly, Dalton. The drains not clean. The garbage now pick up. The people cannot keep the garbage in their house nor their yard. The dogs will tear down the garbage and mess up the whole place, and the children could hurt their fingers in the garbage. Children like to touchy and feely. They cannot keep the garbage around the kids because garbage is germs. It will carry germs and spread bacteria. So the people take the garbage and put in the gully. The reason why they put it in the gully is because the garbage not picking up weekly. Wellness no, Andrew no, and Andrew don't change it.